Mary was 70 years old. She lived alone in a small white house on Green Street in a quaint American town called Sunnytown. The street was climb and slow. Cars passed only a few times a day. Most houses were old just like Mary. Every morning Mary woke up early, she made a cup of tea and sat near the window. She liked watch the sunrise. The soft light made her feel peaceful at her age. Peace was very important. Mary's husband Johan died 10 years ago. They had no children. After Johan's death, the house felt empty. At first, Mary cried every night. Later, she learned to live with the silence. Her body was weak now. Her knees hurt. When she walked, she used a cane, but she never complained. Her heart was still strong. She believed life with a gift, even in old age. Mary kept a small diary. She wrote simple thing in it. Today I fed the birds. Today the sky was blue. Small moments made her happy. One afternoon, Mary saw a moving truck stop across the street. A family moved into the blue house. She watched from her window with great interest. A few days later, she noticed a young boy sitting alone on the steps. He looked sad and lonely. Mary felt a soft pain in her heart. She slowly walked outside. Hello, she said kindly. The boy looked up. Hello. My name is Mary, she said. I am Ben. The boy replied, I am 9. They talked for a while. Ben said he missed his old friend. Mary listened carefully. She did not interrupt, she knew how it felt to miss someone. After that day, Ben started visiting Mary often. He helped her carry bags. Sometimes he bought her flowers from his yard. Mary told him stories from her past. She talked about life before phones and the internet. She liked about love, hard work and patience. Yes, now a lot, Ben once said. Mary smiled. That what 70 years can do. One could every Mary slept in her kitchen. She fell hard and could not stand up. Hurricane was far away. Fairfield, her heart. She lay there quietly, hoping someone would come. After some time, she heard knowing. Mr. Mary, Ben's voice called, Are you okay? Ben had seen her lights on late at night. He felt something was wrong. He ran to his parents. They called for help. Mary was taken to the hospital. She was safe, but the doctor warned her. You need support, he said. You should not live completely alone. After that incident, things changed on Green Street. Neighbor starting visiting Mary. Ben's mother bought food, someone fixed her broken steps, and other neighbors cancelled her yard. Mary felt something warm in her heart. For years she thought no one cared. She was wrong. Winter come, snow covered, sunny town. Mary still sat near her window, but now she waved when people passed. One day Ben gave her a piece of paper. It's for you, he said. It was a drawing. Mary saw herself standing in front of her house with the bright sun above. Tears filled her eyes. No one has downed me before, she whispered. That night, Mary opened her diary and wrote with shaking hands. I am 70 years old. I thought my life was finished. But today I learned that life still gives chances. Spring returned, flowers blossom again on Green Street. Mary planted new flowers with Ben's help. Her house looked brighter. Mary still missed Johan. Some nights were hard, but now she heard people. She had smiles, she had purpose. On her 71st birthday, the neighbor surprised her. There was a small cake, warm hugs, and laughter. Mary looked around and smiled. Her hair was grey, her steps were slow, but her heart was full. And every evening, as the sun went down, a soft light still shined from Mary's window, a quiet message that even at 70, life is not over.